Okay, I have some kind of battery and small. This one I take out from this battery microphone. Can charge C.F.L. And this is cell of battery laptop. One cell can recharge. This one can recharge. Brand name envelope. It's good quality for use. I use every day. You know this one already. 155. អូខេថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានថ្មមួយប្រភេទដែរថ្មនេះខ្ញុំយកចេញពីថ្ម microphone C.F.L 9V ហើយថ្មmicrophone ដែរឬក៏ថ្មអីវាថ្លៃមួយគូដូចជាមួយគូចិត្ត10រៀលដែរ8រៀល9រៀលតាមកន្លែងអ្នកខ្លះលក់10រៀលជាងប៉ុន្តែល្អខ្នាតណាខ្ញុំសម្រាប់ការច្រៀងគឺប្រើបាន6ខែវាល្អលើ6ខែក៏ប្រើបានដែរគ្រាន់តែវាឆាប់ធ្លាក់កម្លាំងថ្មយើងសម្រាប់ច្រៀងឬក៏អ្វីដែលយើងប្រើការយូរ so I recommend you to use this battery. It's good quality. I use every day. For 6 months I replace out one time for singing or using with something use strong battery and the light battery is still stable. It's good quality for use. This is can recharge. Okay, so what inside this battery តើឥឡូវយើងឆែកមើលក្នុង battery មួយមានអីខ្លះឥឡូវយើងឆែក LED នេះជាងមុនគេ This is one check and this one oh shit cut it out cut what we cut out oh shit yes that's still her work. Let's check. Oh yes, it's still wall. 1 point. We know wall. My wall chine. What inside?វាជាលក្ខណៈដូចតែអាធំនោះដែរវាអត់មានអីទេក្នុងហ្នឹងnot focus អើយហើយ focus វាអត់ដើរអញ្ចឹង sorry for my focus អូអត់ដើរទេឥឡូវមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាតែប៉ុណ្ណោះទៅចាំងអានេះចឹងវា focus តែអានេះហើយ fuck yes okay នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងយើង cut it out because it's not easy to remove so remove out oh shit North pepper into red yes now check next 555 it's new wall in it one was point CTH wall option oh sorry កាន់ថ្មពួកអាសាតែមកកាន់ថ្មពួកអត់ស្រាលស្រាលហ្នឹងក៏មុនដៃពួកនេះធ្វើខ្រាស់ដល់ឥឡូវធ្វើទុនសំបីដៃក៏ស៊ីដែរពួកអន់សូ remove វាដូចជាមានបកគោលមួយនេះក៏ដែរ Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's one. Oh, sorry. Yes. Oh, it can get out. It can take out. I'm sorry for my focus. Now put in and test is still house wall or not. Yeah, it's still house wall. Plop. Chìm một tay cái nó chìm hộp này cái này nó xịt đây cho dễ của một bên lắm oh my god why it's not focused yeah battery 555 and that I don't take out okay now we open big one okay yeah nghe này chim bài hồn là những bạn mơ thông này trong một tàu này bạn mà thông này miễn giấy con này not easy lịch cho ta cáp thông mô để cho tao mình một đáy rồi nè be careful with your finger. Okay. I forgot test wall. Oh. One wall. Oh, that's one. Yes, that's one wall too. 1 wall 50. But in this one wall, but in this one wall 60. So remove plastic out. Easy remove. Oops. Okay, remove plastic out. Oh. See it? You see it? I don't take it out because the same small like this. Same. Remove paper out. Yeah, the same too. Hole. This wall again. It's still. Yeah, it's still. Okay. That's one before I remove out too, so I don't remove out again, so I have that's inside in battery cell laptop. Yes. Inside this. Okay. It's difficult to remove out. So inside this cell like that. battery ខ្ញុំ remove មិញដែរអញ្ចឹងមុននឹងដែរអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមកខ្ជិលកាត់វាចេញដល់ទៅដោយសារវាបាក់កាត់វាដែកណាវាខ្លាំងវាក្រាស់ឡំខ្លាំងអញ្ចឹងthe last one brand name Enalops is the best quality to use ថ្មល្អប្រើទិញទៅអត់ខុសម្ដងខ្ញុំអ្នកដើរសាកថ្មគ្រប់ចង់គ្រប់ប្រភេទហើយថ្មហ្នឹងគឺល្អខ្ញុំប្រើរហូតប៉ុន្តែត្រូវទិញឆ្នាំងសាកវាដែលល្អដែរថ្មsorry the battery is good quality but we must be with chargers good quality too okay now I think it's difficult to remove too oh it's strong outside it's strong like salad top it's strong too so cut it out wait a minute okay I'm cut already that's one ហើយខ្ញុំកាត់ហើយដោយសារវាកាត់មិនញ័រពេកអញ្ចឹងអង្គើកាមេរ៉ាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំកាត់ហើយនេះឥឡូវយើងមើលខាងក្នុងវាlike this okay now we check in this battery already so we look again oh wait a minute okay it's more yeah and sorry battery 555 yes and batteries cell oscillator okay and battery recharger the pen and this and the last one is big battery yes 555 too Okay, thank you for watching my video and don't forget subscribe and like share my channel too អរគុណអ្នកនរគ្នាសម្រាប់ចំណាយពេលវេលាដ៏មានតម្លៃចូលមើលវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំសូមជួយ subscribe និង like share channel របស់ខ្ញុំផងសូមអរគុណច្រើនជម្រាបលាអ្នកនរគ្នា